Welcome to Museful Creations, where imagination comes to life.
Today I'm sharing a modular journaling system I've been working on. It includes a handmade box, a working drawer, and 4 removable mini journals built with Velcro spine inserts. Each cover was built using scraps and images from Turning Leaves, stamp sheet from ISC. I always start with the cover in mind, even if it's the last thing I finish. I used Archival Jet Black and Russet, heat embossed with fine clear powder. Then I added a touch of transparent red iron oxide as splatters to deepen the tones a little bit. These colors worked beautifully with the scraps I had on hand. This box houses both the journals and the removable inserts. I'm not sharing the drawer build today, but if you'd like to see that in a future video, let me know in the comments. Next, you're going to need a couple, up to you, of mini notebooks from the Dollar Tree, and I'm using Wear Paper Leads digital kit. And I've also cut 3 1 by 4.5 inch chipboards that I will be using as my spine. You'll see as I will begin to cover the various spine chipboards with the digital paper, and I will interject here and then to share how I came up with this fun removable spine. And make sure you stay till the end because I will reveal each one of them because they do have a unique twist. Next, you're going to take your front cover and glue it, and just a slight bit of glue on the outside edge of the front cover, and you're going to do the same on the back, and then place it where you have a very small kind of gap in between the front cover and the spine, the back cover and your spine on your gaffer's tape. Now you're going to use some cheesecloth and apply it with some glue on the front and the back cover like so. Now I did get ahead of myself, and that happens when you're crafting. So here I'm showing you that the inside covers to the front and the back, I had glued them first, but because I was able to catch the mistake, I covered the inside spine with a gaffer's tape, and then I re-glued the inside covers to this mini journal. Now you're going to cover that last chipboard spine, add 4 eyelets, and then use your elastic cord. And now I'm going to cover the outer part of the mini journal, and using my mini Velcro dots, I'm going to add 4 to 5, and I chose 5. I will add a little bit more glue to the Velcro dots. I will then adhere it to the middle of the spine and allow it to dry. It's super important that you do that. This mini journal uses the QFUN Laminator Spine Hack. If you missed that build, I'll link it up above. It's one of my favorite hybrid spine systems. Here I'm also showing you that I made a box to store all these pre-made removable spines that I'll be using in future makes. And here is a peek of the journals that I repurposed using those mini notebooks from the Dollar Tree. And here I'm showing you how easy it is to remove them and put them back. And also these prompt cards that I will be showing in just a second, I want you to know that they are available for Museful Maker Tier supporters. I use them for faith journaling, goal setting, creative flow, even seasonal lists. I do have a notebook where I jot down the different projects that I create with the measurements and all that. I just find that to be super helpful. And you'll find that there's a set for spring, summer, fall, and winter. If you want to see the drawer tutorial or how I batch prep The spine inserts, let me know. Everything I used today, including turning leaves, is linked in the description below.